This is my 2007 Chevy Tahoe. Today I'm going to be replacing the 4-wheel drive switch. Stay tuned and I'll show you how to replace it. Quick fix. Okay, this is the new part which I ordered online. I ordered it through Amazon, and that's the part number. So hopefully this will resolve the problem, and I won't be getting that message on my dashboard. Alright, today we're going to be replacing the switch here, the selector switch for the 4-wheel drive. Lately I've been getting a service 4-wheel drive display on my dashboard. So we're going to be replacing this switch. We're going to go under here and just remove this, nice and easy. There we go. And we get it out. And this is the back piece. We're going to be disconnecting this connector here, and then we're going to remove the switch from the side. It has a couple clips on the side, keeps it in place, so it should be quite easy. Okay, there should be a little tab in the back. Press it, and that should be it for the connector. Okay, this has, I removed from the tabs. It has two on this side, and it has one more in here. Now, we just took it out. Okay, now we have the new one right here. Okay, simply we're going to just put it in here. And we're going to just give it a good push. Make sure it sits on the tabs. Okay, that's the plug. We're going to push it in. It's snapped in. Now we're going to put everything back. There we go. It's already installed. Quick, I would say 10-minute job. Okay, now we're gonna test the switch. Okay, I just heard the actuator. Now we're gonna put the vehicle in neutral, and we're gonna switch to 4-wheel drive. Here the actuator. There we go. So now we're gonna go back. Alrighty. So, problem solved. Easy fix.